Flex position, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, flex position. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but it's quite useful in various contexts. We'll break it down, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations and writing. So, let's get started. The phrase, flex position, is often used in professional and casual settings. It generally refers to a role or job that has flexible aspects, such as varied responsibilities or flexible working hours. This flexibility can be related to the tasks performed, the working location, or the hours. It's a term especially popular in the modern, dynamic workplace. Now, let's see how flex position can be used in sentences. 1. She was offered a flex position in the company, allowing her to work both remotely and in the office. 2. In his flex position, he handles both marketing and sales, depending on the project needs. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in different contexts. It's also useful to know some variations of the phrase, flex position. These can include flexible role, adaptive position, versatile job. Each variation carries a similar meaning but might be used in slightly different contexts. It's important to avoid confusion with similar phrases. For instance, flex position should not be confused with fixed position, which implies a static and unchanging role. Understanding these nuances is crucial for accurate communication. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of flex position. Remember, it's all about flexibility in responsibilities or working conditions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.